Bitcoin price prediction as U.S. core inflation rate data is announced. Time to buy. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high. Decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 141,576 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG alt equals Bitcoin recap with equals 1,280 height equals 608 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 1,280 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 300 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 1,924 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 768 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 130 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 104 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 83 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/12/1,702,439,053 12/2 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1208x100 1208x/ as the U.S. announces its latest core inflation rate data. Investors and traders alike are keenly focused on its implications for the cryptocurrency market, particularly Bitcoin BTC. The world's largest cryptocurrency, BTC, extended its upward trend and briefly surged to $42,069 in response to the November US CPI data release. The crypto market has recently experienced a bullish turn following the United States reporting a significant decline in its annual consumer price index CPI to 3.1%. This news has prompted a rebound in the price of Bitcoin, recovering from a worrisome low of $40,000. Bitcoin continues to consolidate after a bounce from the area I've mentioned yesterday. CPI day today would suggest volatility is going to pick up between then and FOMC tomorrow. Remain patient. Just buy the levels which are clear and wait. Pick Twitter.com/4CNGWSPRKH Michaël van de Poppe at Crypto Mitch NL December 12, 2023. However, the sharp uptick in BTC was short-lived as its price dropped back to the $41,000 level. U.S. inflation data and market reaction. Impact on Fed policy speculation. The Bureau of Labor Statistics today released the much-awaited U.S. Consumer Price Index CPI data, showing a 3.1% rise in U.S. inflation for November. The market, which was expecting a softer inflation figure, now reinforces the belief that the Federal Reserve will maintain interest rates in its year-end meeting. According to the latest data from the Labor Department, inflation in November increased by 0.1%, matching market expectations. The overall annual inflation rate stood at 3.1%, slightly down from the 3.2% reported in October. CIP provides a reaction to the November US Consumer Price Index CPI report, interpreting the data as a mix of positive and negative signals potentially indicative of market noise rather than a clear trend. Pick Twitter.com/2YLLivesMP. Omar Namauchi at Omar Namauchi December 12, 2023. Examining the core CPI, which excludes food and energy prices, there was a 0.3% increase, aligning with market forecasts. Annually, the core inflation rate showed a 4% increase, consistent with market expectations for November. Investors were closely monitoring this economic data for insights into the economy's trajectory. Despite the Fed's data-driven commitment, the dip in inflation and signs of a cooling labor market have spurred speculation about a potential shift in policy. Based on Fed funds futures pricing data, the market currently expects 4 rate cuts next year, 13 to 23. No rates change 98, 4% 31 Jan 24. No rates change 94, 4% 20 Mar 24. No rates change 61, 0% 1 May 24. First cut 50, 0% 12 Jan 24. Second cut 40, 9% 31 Jul 24. No change 37, 2%. AJ Adelajo December 11, 2023. Following the CPI data release, the US dollar index fell by 0.39% to 103.329 on Tuesday, while the US 10-year bond yield decreased by 1.76% to 4.194. The CME Fed Watch tool now indicates a 98.4% probability that the central bank will pause its rate hike stance at the conclusion of the upcoming Fed meeting on December 13. The release of the US CPI data triggered a temporary drop in Bitcoin BTC to $41,000, reflecting market uncertainty. However, the overall impact remains subject to change, shaped by broader economic sentiment and ongoing market dynamics. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF bid, market impact, and SEC wariness. BlackRock is seeking to facilitate bank participation in its Bitcoin ETF, pending regulatory approval. The plan involves transferring risks to cryptocurrency market makers and introducing a novel method for redeeming ETF shares, a strategy discussed with Nasdaq and the SEC. The approval of this ETF would enable investors to gain Bitcoin exposure without the need to purchase or store the cryptocurrency directly, potentially channeling significant capital into the crypto market. Nevertheless, the SEC maintains a cautious stance, particularly due to concerns about potential market manipulation in Bitcoin. A decision on BlackRock's application is anticipated by January 15. Thus, the prospect of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, if sanctioned, could be a catalyst for a surge in BTC prices by paving the way for greater institutional investment. However, the prevailing uncertainty surrounding the SEC's approval may temper market sentiments. Bitcoin price prediction. In our current technical assessment of Bitcoin as of December 13, the cryptocurrency is seen in a precarious position. The 4-hour chart reveals critical price points, with the first line of resistance at $41,665. Surpassing this could lead to further resistances at $42,349 and $42,929. Conversely, Bitcoin finds its initial support at $40,780, with additional support levels at $39,827 and $38,364. The technical narrative is complex. The relative strength index RSI is at 37.99, suggesting a bearish outlook as it stays under the 50 mark. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA stands at $42,345, indicating a bearish trend as Bitcoin's current price is below this level. Decoding equals async class equals WP image 141,580 sizeful SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,441,481 BTC Deck 13. GPG alt equals Bitcoin price chart source. Trading view width equals 1,745 height equals 952 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,441,481 BTC Deck 13. GPG 1,745 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/12/1,702,441,481 BTC Deck 13 300 164. JPG 300 https://cryptonews.com/WP com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,441,481 BTC DAC 13/1924 559 JPG 1924 WA https://cryptonews com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,441,481 BTC DAC 13/768 419 JPG 768 WA https://cryptonews com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,441,481 BTC DAC 13/1536 838 JPG 1536 WA https://cryptonews com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,441,481 BTC DAC 13/150x82 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1745x100 WA 1745x Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. The chart pattern displays a downward trend, especially as Bitcoin's price hovers below the $42,345 support. Remaining under this threshold could further confirm the bearish trend. Given these technical indicators and chart patterns, the overall sentiment for Bitcoin appears to be leaning towards bearish. Nevertheless, the immediate future is marked by caution. A breakthrough above key resistance levels, particularly the 50 EMA, could signal a change to bullish sentiment. Market watchers should prepare for the possibility of Bitcoin retesting the $40,780 support level soon. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from Industry Talk and Crypto News, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter Poppe